Today, I'll show you how to change the default settings in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're aiming to customize your viewing experience or streamline your workflow, adjusting these settings can make a big difference in your day-to-day tasks. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you're not sure where it is, you can usually find it in your Applications folder on a Mac or your Start menu on Windows. Once you have Adobe Acrobat open, we're going to access the Preferences menu. If you're using a Windows machine, you'll want to click on Edit in the top menu bar, then select Preferences from the drop-down. For Mac users, it's a little different. You'll need to click on Acrobat in the top left corner of your screen and then choose Preferences from that menu. Once you have the Preferences window open, you'll notice a panel on the left side with a variety of categories. This is where you can really start to customize Adobe Acrobat to suit your needs. Take a moment to look through these categories. You'll see options like page display, documents, language, and security, among others. Each category contains different settings that you can adjust to better fit your workflow. For example, if you frequently work with documents in different languages, selecting the language category can help you set a default language for all your documents. Or if you prefer to view documents at a certain zoom level, you can adjust that under the page display category. Perhaps you don't want to change the default view when you open a PDF. You can easily set that here too. Go through each category and make the adjustments that best fit your needs. Once you've tailored the settings to your liking, it's time to save these changes. Simply click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. This action will save all the adjustments you've made as your new default settings. From now on, Adobe Acrobat will apply these settings every time you open a document, making your workflow more efficient and personalized. And there you have it. By taking a few minutes to adjust your preferences, you've set up Adobe Acrobat to work more effectively for you. Making these small changes can have a big impact on how you interact with your PDFs, saving you time and enhancing your overall experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more of Adobe Acrobat's features to further optimize your document management. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly customized Adobe Acrobat setup.